Oh, Oliver, these eggs are heaven. Don't tell me you made them
In the slow cooker. The slow cooker you got us, yeah.
I knew it. I knew it. People are always so hesitant to try them, but slow cookers are absolute life changers.
I don't know how that is not a bumper sticker yet.
I know.
On the topic of life changers, you guys really need to get on the school situation here. We could write you a recommendation letter for our school's waiting list.
Wouldn't it help to have kids first, or I don't know, a kid?
Oh, it takes years to get on that list. And I'm sure kids aren't too far down the line.
Yeah, we haven't talked about it.
Who wants more mimosas?
I need to see it. Do you have it on you?
Honey,
Shh, baby, shh. You have it on you, right? Do you have it? Oh, it's stunning.
It's my mother's.
So, when are you gonna pop the question?
Tonight.
What are you guys talking about?
Whoa! Dude! Nice reflexes!